In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Sheets search bar. Specifically, we'll be focusing on searching for students by their extracurricular activities using our custom search bar. This can be a fantastic tool for quickly finding specific information without scrolling through endless rows of data. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by using the filter function in Google Sheets. This versatile function allows us to display only the rows of data that meet certain criteria, which in this case will be determined by what we input into our search bar. So, let's get started by typing the equal sign to activate a formula, followed by the word filter and an open parenthesis. Now we need to define the range we want to filter. In our example, it will be the columns that contain the students' names and their extracurricular activities. Since these columns are not adjacent to one another in our data, we'll enclose them within curly brackets and separate them with a comma. This method ensures that even if columns aren't side by side, we can still include them in our filter. After establishing our filter, it's time to add a condition. The purpose of this condition is to ensure that only the relevant data is displayed based on what we enter into the search bar. To achieve this, we'll utilize the ARRAYFORMULA function in combination with the search function. The ARRAYFORMULA function checks for a numerical value, something we'll trick it into doing here by searching for text. Start by typing isNumber followed by an open parenthesis. Within this set of parentheses, we'll nest another function, search, which will initiate with its own open parenthesis as well. The search function helps us identify if the text typed into our search bar aligns with any extracurricular activities listed in the data. To specify what the search function should be looking for, select the cell where you've designated your search bar. This tells the function to look for whatever is entered there. Then, after a comma, select all the cells in the extracurricular activities column. This tells the function where to search for matches based on the input from the bar. Once both parts are selected, make sure to close off each set of parentheses properly. After that, press Enter. You'll notice that now, whenever you type something into the search bar, Google Sheets will automatically display a list of students who have matching extracurricular activities. This method empowers you to quickly sort through data without hassle, and it's a great way to streamline your information retrieval process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic and efficient search bar in Google Sheets. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to save your work.